Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Echo Show 15 is acting strangely, freezing, having trouble connecting, or you simply want to start over with a clean setup, performing a reset can often help restore normal operation. Temporary glitches and software issues can sometimes affect the performance of the Echo Show 15, causing unexpected behavior. Fortunately, resetting the device is a straightforward process and can solve many common problems. Before replacing the device or spending time on advanced troubleshooting, it's worth trying a reset first. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that can help you reset your Echo Show 15 properly. Try this. Step 1. Turn on the Echo Show 15 and wait until the main screen becomes accessible. Step 2. Open the settings menu available on the Echo Show 15 and locate the device options. Step 3. Select the reset option provided within the Echo Show 15 settings. Step 4. Confirm the reset request on the Echo Show 15 when prompted. Step 5. Allow the Echo Show 15 enough time to erase settings and restart automatically. Step 6. Complete the setup process again on the Echo Show 15 after the reset is finished.